This is where they have the rocket festival. This is the trees they've grown very quickly. You can see the rocket, this is where they fire the rockets from. So every year around May, they have they call it bonfire, which is rocket festival. And you see the rockets launching from those platforms, I suppose. There they are there. It's really, really humid at the moment. But all the chickens like to come out here and just look around for insects. But I'm walking up the street. As you can see, it's very quiet here in the countryside. Well, especially in the middle of the day, not many people. It's because it's boiling hot. I'll do more tours around the village. There's some quite nice homes and lots of there's a shopping on the main road. There's a lot of shops. That's the house, one of my next door neighbours. And this is the back of my home. That's my home over there. It's my kitchen through the window there. And the people at the back there have constructed an extension to their home, which is good because it's cut the sun from making my house hot. Here comes a little doggy. Hello. See, you got to be careful sometimes of the little dogs. You know, that's one of the reasons I carry this actually. Come on. Bobby, Bobby.